Bigfoot tracks, man. Bigfoot tracks made in my backyard. It's crazy. So I came up with a quick idea. To make up some little feet. And if you've been in the hot rod world, you kind of know what these are. But I've been thinking about doing something, and came up with that. It seemed like it cut pretty good, you know. Small enough to get the details. But, probably need to work on the smoothness of it. I need to change this out. I used it quite a bit. These are fine cut. They're on their last leg. That's what I did so far. It seemed like it's been okay. I haven't really pushed it any. But, it's working out.